Moonstone Crafts, and welcome to my little post review of a little vacation project that I took with me. It's finally done. It took longer than my vacation, so I didn't finish it on vacation, what I thought initially. But I did get it done. It's a square diamond painting from Fansells. It's a 30 by 30, which is of course the canvas size, so not really the drill size. Drill field size, but looking through the camera it actually looks pretty good. In real life you can see some of the details, but you know, it's not the best. Of course you can see the heart, which is the most important part, but some of the branches and stuff really doesn't come through that much. But on the camera it does look very good. So it's from Fansells. It had 14 colors. I'm gonna show you what's left of them. They were pretty good quality. I do like the colors on this. I do think it was a lot of reds and kind of got to me a bit at the end. So I'm really happy it was only a small project. But what I was saying, I didn't get to finish it on my little vacation because it was so hot. There was a heat wave and we were outside. We just had some shade from the apple trees, so we had to move all the time. It was not weather to diamond paint. I tried, but I was not motivated. Cross-stitching was more on my palette for that week, so I did a lot more of that than diamond painting. But I finished it at home, so it is finished. It totally took me 14 hours and 41 minutes, and I know that because of my Gems Flow app. I use that to track my times. It won't be very accurate, like sometimes a minute less or a minute more, but let's say almost 15 hours to complete this project. And I didn't work on it every day because I had another project with me on vacation, and at home I had plenty more projects. I don't think there was a lot of trash. Just get my bag of stuff. I used one of these little containers to get my trash. I can even show you in this container because that's all there is. That's like so little. So again, that's for Fansells. I think that's really good for the cheaper kits, that you have not that much trash. And it's mostly misshapen drills, and one I think is concaved, and there might be one or two in there that I just found somewhere and I didn't know which color it was anymore, so I just put it in the trash because I had enough anyway. And that just answers my next question, is that I had enough drills of everything. But before I show you the drills, let me show you the canvas up close. So it's again very shiny for square drills. I really do enjoy that a lot. And it's also the sunlight now reflecting in my room here, but as you can see they're tied together. It's just the same as my 5 panel actually, the quality of drills. Yeah. It was enjoyable to work on, except for at the end, as I was saying before, I got a bit tired of the colors. But yeah, I think it looks pretty, especially through the camera, but in real life too. I mean, I don't think I would frame it or anything, it's just a little project to keep me busy. But yeah, for sure it's nice. I wouldn't recommend buying this painting in this size if you really want the detail though. So let's look at some of the colors. I'll just turn this around so it might be easier for my camera to focus on these. This is just a little bit left, not too much. This one has a little bit more. It's all kind of the same amounts that are left, and it will be very short kit down as well, I think. So that's very nice, because sometimes those that progress and videos I make of them can be very long. So for people that just want a short one, that's gonna be very nice. I might check the quality of the drills and get some of the trashy ones out before I put them in my kit down in my storage, but I'll definitely keep them because they're good quality and they're very shiny. I do think that's very nice. So you can see all the colors again because I'm just showing. This one has a lot left actually. But I was never in worry of having not enough color. Maybe with the first one I showed you. I think that's also the one that has the least left. But as you can see, enough of everything left. So I think that's very good. And now there's only one thing left in this poster shoe. And if I missed something or you have some questions, please ask me in the comments below. And I will do the best that I can to answer your question. One thing is left. The trash bucket. Put my trash in the trash bucket. So here we go. Here's the... Oh, yeah, like this. There we go. And now this project is officially done. So I want to thank you all for watching. I will turn the canvas around for you guys so you can see it one last time. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. I want to thank you all for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.